First question should be correct like this, right? What? Selling a shirt for 360 rupees, which is bought of 300 rupees. Second part, selling a frock of 460 rupees, which was bought to 400 rupees, right? There are two business given. You have to find the most profitable business, right? To find the most profitable business, separately you have to find the profit percentages of these two business, right? First, I am going to find the selling shirts business. The buying price is 300, the selling price is 360. Then you can understand what is the profit of it, no? What's the profit of it? 60 rupees. The buying price is 300. So how you can how you can find the profit percentage of it? Profit divide buying price multiply 100%. Then these two zeros we can remove from these two. 60 divide 3. So the profit percentage of the selling shirts 20%. Also, you have to find the profit percentage of other business. What is the other business given? Selling a frock. The buying price is 400 rupees. Selling price is 460 rupees. So what is the profit value? 460 minus 400, 60 rupees. Buying price is 400. So also you can find the percentage, profit percentage of it, right? How you can find the profit percentage? You can multiply this fraction by 100%. Then these two zeros we can remove from these two. 60 divide 4. The percentage is 15%. Now you can check which business is most profitable one. The selling shirts, the profit percentage is 20 rupees, 20%. Selling frocks, profit percentage is 15%. So which one is the most profitable one? More profit we can get by selling shirts. So what is the answer of the first question? First business, no? First business, right? Roman number 1, you have to underline. Right? Roman number 1, you have to underline. It is the first question asked. Then let's go to the second question. Right? This is the answer getting method. Separately, you have to find the profit percentages of both business. Then you can decide which business is most profitable when you comparing the profit percentages of two business. Right. Then look at the second question. Second question given from number pattern lesson. The general term given 5n minus 4. General term given Tn given 5n minus 4. Then you have to find the seventh term. Seventh term mean T7, no? To find the seventh term, what we have to do? You have to substitute n equals 7 of this general term. 5n. 5 multiply 7 minus 4. 5 times 7, 35. 35 minus 4. So what is the answer? 31. 31. Right? Seventh term is 31. Right. Then let's go to the third question. Third question given from binary numbers. Write the number represented on the abacus as a decimal number. binary number given. What is this binary number? You can write this binary number like this: 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this is the given binary number: 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Then this binary number you have to convert into decimal number. Do you remember the decimal number converting method of the binary numbers? There are 4 digits given here. No? First, I can write the positions of them. This one is 2 to the power 0. This one is 2 to the power 1. This one 2 to the power 2. This one 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 0 means 1. Any base, if the index is 0, its value should be 1. 2 to the power 1 is 2. 2 to the power 2 is 2 multiplied 2, 4. 2 to the power 3 is 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2, 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. Then we can write the relevant values of these positions. 2 to the power 0, 1. 2 to the power 1, 1. 2 to the power 2, 0. 2 to the power 3, given 1. Then you can multiply these values. 1 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. 4 times 0, 0. 8 times 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So what is the decimal value? 11. Right? Decimal value is 11. It is the third question answer. Right. Quickly check the answers. If your answers are correct, you can put a tick mark, and also 2 marks you can got for each questions. If your answers are incorrect, also you can note down the answer with the red color pen, right? Then also you give the priority for these incorrect answers lessons. හරි ඒවට මූලිකත්වය දෙන්න අඩුපාඩු ටික හදා ගන්න. Right. Then let's go to the fourth question. Fourth question given from fractions. How much is 2 over 5 of 1 over 2 hours? Right. What do you have to do? 2 over 5 of mean multiply. Then also we can convert this mixed number into improper. 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2. Then when you multiply the fractions, numerator and denominator values, you can simplify. 2 and 2 you can divide by 2. So what is the answer? 3 over 5 hours. 3 over 5 hours. Right, as a fraction you can note down. If you want, also you can convert into minutes. Right, if you convert into minutes, the value should be 36 minutes. But this one enough to keep the answer. Right. Right, it is fourth question. Right, then let's go to question number 5. Fifth question given. The algebraic expression given 8p minus 6q. 8p minus 6q. You have to substitute p equal 1 over 2n. P equal 1 over 2n. Q equal negative 1 over 3. You have to substitute for this algebraic expression. Right, now let's go to substitute. 8p. 8p mean 8 multiply p. P is 1 over 2 minus 6q. Q is negative 1 over 3. Right, then carefully you simplify. Uh, First, I can simplify this part. 8 and 2. 8 is a whole number. 8, if you want, you can write as a fraction. It is not compulsory. If you want, you can put 1 as the denominator. Then numerators and denominators you can simplify. 2 and 8 we can divide by 2. 4 times 1, 4. 4 over 1 means 4. Then also you can simplify these two. Look at negative multiply negative. Negative multiply negative is positive. 6 multiply 1 over 3. 6 multiply 1 over 3. Also 3 and 6 you can divide by 3. 1, 2, 4 plus 2 times 1, 2. So what is the answer? 6. Positive 6. Right? Positive 6. It is the fifth question answer. Positive 6. You give the attention here, right? Negative multiply negative positive. 6 multiply 1 over 3. Then you can simplify numerator and denominator values. Then you can get the value, no? Right? It is the fifth question answer. Right, Khaira, Nadia, Netum on the videos, and also Seya, Ranuji on the videos. Right, then let's go to number 6. Question number 6. හරි දැන් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අර ලොකුම මේ කනෙක්ෂන් ඉෂුව එකක් තියෙනවා නම් ගැටලුවක් නැහැ. හරි ඒ වගේ සාමාන්‍ය හැමතිස්සෙම කනෙක්ෂන් ඉෂුස් නැතුව ඇතිනේ නේද? ඒකින්ද අර කනෙක්ෂන් ඉෂුස් නැති ටයිම් එකට ඔන් කරලා තියාගන්න. Right, then let's go to number 7. 7 question given. Sorry, 6 question, no? 6 question given. If AB is a straight line, find the value of x. Right. AB is a straight line. Then you have to remember the theorem. What's the theorem? The sum of angles on a straight line. What's the magnitude? 180. හරි මේ diagram එක දැක්කම මතක් වෙන්න ඕන theorem. Then there are three angles you can see on this straight line, no? X, 60 and 90. So I can write the simple equation x plus 60 plus 90 equal 180 degrees. Also you write down within bracket what's the reason for it. Sum of straight angle, right? Sum of straight lines on the straight angle or sum of straight angle. Then we can simplify x 60 plus 90, 150 equal 180. Then this plus 150 you can write other side. That means both side you have to put minus 150. Then what happened? 180 minus 150. So what is the answer? X equal 30 degrees. X equal 30 degrees. Right? It is the sixth question. Right? Question number 6. Right. Then let's go to number 7. The seventh question given. If you have some doubts, you can ask. Okay, මොනවාරි ගැටලු තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න. Seventh question given about the fractions. 1/3 add 1/4 subtract 1/2. 1/3 add 1/4 subtract 1/2. Right. Addition and subtractions only given. So first you have to find the LCM of 3, 4 and 2. What is a suitable LCM? Suitable common denominator. Quickly you can find the LCM, right? Like this. What is the LCM? 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3, 12. Right? Because we have to write the equivalent fractions with same denominators to add and subtract the fractions. So I found the suitable denominator is 12. Now you check 3 we have to convert into 12. So this numerator and denominator you have to multiply by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Second fraction 4 you have to convert into 12. So you have to multiply by 3. Right? 1 times 3, 3. This one 2 you have to convert into 12. So 2 you have to multiply by 6. So also the numerator you have to multiply by the same value. No? 1 times 6, 6. Then the denominator is 12. 4 plus 3 minus 6. So what is the answer? 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus 6, 1. So the answer is 1/12. Right? 1/12. 1/12. Right? It is the seventh question. Question number 7. Right. Then let's go to number 8. Right. මේ වගේ මොනවා හරි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න ඕනද? මොකද මේ දැන් අපි කරන්නේ පළවෙනි පේපර් එකනේ. මේ ක්ලාස් එකේදී ඩිස්කස් කරන්න ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් එකට රෙඩි වෙන්න. හරි. මීට කලින් මේ වගේ questions ඕන තරම් කර අපි ටියුට්ස් වලින්. හරි. දැන් අපි පේපර් එකක් විදියට ෆස්ට් පේපර් එක කරන්නේ. ඉතින් අර මොනවා හරි ගැටලුවක් තියෙනවා නම් අහන්න knowledge එක develop කරගෙන නේද? high marks term test වලට ගන්නවා. Right? Right. Then let's go to question number 8. Right. Number 8 given from the percentages. A commission of 96,000 is paid when selling a motor car worth 1,200,000 rupees. Calculate the percentage of commission. Okay, no problem. You can find it. How you can find the commission percentage? First, you have to write the fraction. Fraction numerator should be the commission value. Denominator should be the selling price. Then the fraction you have to multiply by 100%. Right? So the commission given 96,000, I can write as the numerator. The selling price is 1,200,000. I have to write as the denominator. Then this fraction you have to multiply by 100%. Then you can simplify this one. Okay, this is the commission percentage. Right? How you can simplify? 2 zeros I can remove from these two. Then another 3 zeros I can remove to these 3. 96 divide 12. How many 12s for 96? How many 12s? There are 8. Right? 8 times 12, 96. No? So what is the percentage? Commission percentage is 8%. Right? The commission percentage is 8%. It is number 8. Right. Number 9, look at factorize the expression given 2x squared y plus 6xy squared. Right. When you factorize, first you have to find the common term for these two terms. What's the common term? What is the value, digit common? 2 is common, no? Right? 2 and 6 also the multiples of 2, no? Also, what are the unknowns common? X common, y common. Right? So, what is the common factor? 2xy. 2xy is common. Right? So, 2xy you can take outside the bracket. Then from this term remaining, 2 got outside the bracket. Also, 1x go to the outside the bracket and y go outside the bracket. Then 1x remaining here. Plus 6 mean 2 times 3. 2 go to outside the bracket. Then 3 remaining. X also we got outside the bracket. 1y got outside the bracket. Another y remaining. So what is the answer? 2xy bracket x plus 3y. It is number 9. හරි මේක තේරුණාද හැමෝටම? හරි දැන් මේක අර ඔබ්සර්ව් කරලා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මේ 2xy කියන එක ගන්න බැරි නම් තාමත් එහෙම ගන්න බැරි කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පුළුවන් grade 8 එකේදී මෙන්න මේ වගේ දෙයක් කරා. What are the two terms? 2x squared y 6xy squared. First I can find the HCF of these two. හරි මේ දෙකේ HCF එක හොයනවා. 2 x squared I can write x multiply x y. 6 how you can write as the product of prime numbers 2 times 3 x y multiply y, no, y squared mean y multiply y. Then you can check the common terms. 2 is common, also x common and also y common. So what is the HCF? 2xy. It is the outside term of the bracket. හරි ඔන්න 2xy මෙන්න මේ විදිහට හොයන 2xy තමයි මම අර හිතෙන් අරගෙන මේ විදිහට එළියට ගත්තේ. හරිද? If you got outside 2xy from this term remaining x. හරි දැන් මම මේ 2 එක x එක y එක මෙහෙට අරගෙනනේ. එහෙනම් මෙතන ඉතුරු වෙනවා x එක. මේක තමයි මේ. හරි තව මොනවද මේකෙන් ඉතුරු වෙන්නේ? 3y. අන්න ඒක තමයි මේ. Right? It is another method to find. Right, then let's go to number 10. හරි එතන මේ විදියට ඕන නම් ඒ විදියට හදන්න. හරි මේ විදියට ඕන නම් එහෙම හදන්න මෙහෙම පුළුවන්. දැන් මෙහෙම බැරි නම් බැරි එකෙන් හදන්න යන්න එපා. වරදිනවනේ නේ. එහෙනම් මේ විදියට ප්‍රැක්ටිස්. Right, number 10. 10th one given, simplify the expression. That means remove the brackets and simplify the like terms. The bracket x plus y minus another bracket x minus y. Right, let's go to simplify this one. First we have to remove the brackets. Outside the first bracket you can see positive 5. So when you remove the first bracket you have to multiply each term inside the first bracket by positive 5. 5 multiply x 5x, 5 multiply y 5y, positive multiply positive, positive multiply positive, positive. Then can you tell me what is the value in front of the second bracket? We can't see any value, no? So which one should be the value? 1. Which one? Negative 1. When you multiply the second bracket, you have to multiply by negative 1. right? 1 multiply x, 1x. If you want, you can write x. 1 multiply y, 1y. If you want, you can write y. Negative multiply negative. Negative multiply positive. Negative. Negative multiply negative. Positive. Right? Then I told you in this lesson, if you want, you can write the like terms nearly. It is not compulsory. Right? If you want, you can write like terms nearly. First, I will write the like terms nearly. First, I will write the x terms, 5x minus 1x. Then I will write the y terms, plus 5y plus 1y. Right now, I will go to simplify the like terms. First, you check the coefficients of x. This one positive 5, this one negative 1. Right? Positive 5, negative 1. I told you always you have to add these two directed numbers. So what is the answer? Difference signs, directed numbers addition. So the answer sign should be large magnitude sign positive. You have to subtract these two magnitudes. 5 minus 1, 4. So when you simplify the x terms, your answer should be positive 4x. Then I'm going to check the simplification of y terms. The coefficient positive 5 and positive 1. Always add same signs. So the answer is same sign. Answer sign is same. You have to add these two. 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the answer? 6y. Right? 4x plus 6y. It is the 10th question answer. Right. Now already I discussed first 10 questions. No? Can you send into chat how many answers are correct now out of 10? 10න් කීයක් හරිද? chat එකට එවන්න බලන්න ඉක්මනට. Right. Everyone send into chat, okay? How many answers are correct out of 10? Right. 9, 8, no? 9, 8. Right. 1 student 7. Okay. Right. Okay, then let's go to next one. හරි දැන් මේක ටෙස්ට් එකක් නෙමෙයිනේ. ටෙස්ට් එකට ඔයගොල්ලෝ ප්‍රිපෙයාර් වෙන්න නේද? උරු කරන්න තමයි මේ වැඩේ කරන්නේ. ඒතර ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැනගන්න ඕන පේපර් එක හරියට කරලා නේද? ඊට පස්සේ දැන් මොන හරි වැරදි ඒවා තියෙනවනේ. ඒ වගේ මොනවද අඩුපාඩු කියලා හරියට චෙක් කරගන්න. හරි? මොනවද බැරි වුනේ? හරිද? ඒ ටික දැන් මෙතනදී හදාගන්න. ආයිත් ඒ වගේ එකක් දුන්නොත් ඒක වරද්ද ගන්න. හරිද? ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් එක වෙනකොට 20 out of 20 වෙන විදියට වැඩේ ගොඩ යන්න ලෙස්ති වෙන්න ඕන. Right. Then let's go to the next one. Number 11. In the figure xy equal xz, the triangle given, xy equal xz and xz equal yz. If xy equal, if xy equal 8 centimeters, find the perimeter of xyz triangle. Right, now you revise the axioms knowledge. How many axioms you studied? 5 axioms. Do you remember the first axiom? What's the first axiom? If a equal to b and a equal to c, then b equal to c. We can apply the axiom here, no? You can see using these relations. Check. Xz equal to xy, also xz equal to yz. Using these two, you can say what? Using the axiom number 1, xy equal to yz. Right? That means, how about this triangle? Xy equal xz, and also xz equal to yz. So which type of this triangle? It should be an equilateral triangle. That means all sides are equal of this triangle, right? Then the side length given xy, this side given 8 centimeters. So according to the equilateral triangle here, other all sides should be 8 centimeters, right? Then you have to find the perimeter. No? Perimeter mean what? Sum of the bounded lines of a plane figure, right? Then there are 3 bounded lines you can see: xy, yz, and xz. So you have to add these 3 lengths. So the perimeter is equal to 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 8 centimeters. 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 8, 24. So what is the answer? 24 centimeters, right? 24 centimeters. Right, it is number 11. Then let's go to the 12th question of this paper, right? 12th question. Right, what is the 12th question? Again given from the percentage lesson. 8% of profit is gained by selling a furniture for 81,000 rupees. Find the buying price of it. Right. This question given selling price and the profit percentage, you have to find the buying price. Right? Buying price not given. Profit percentage given 8%. Also the selling price given as 81,000 rupees. Then you have to find the buying price. Right. How you can do this one? What you have to do? Did you find it? What is the answer? Less than 81,000 value or greater than 81,000 value, the buying price. It should be less than 81,000 rupees, no? Right. How you can do? Only one method you can follow for this one. Right. If you find the 8% of 81,000 rupees, it is the incorrect method. Right. අපිට මේ 81,000 වලින් 8% හොයලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ. What you have to do? How you can think this one? You think if the buying price is 100 rupees, what should be the selling price? The profit percentage is 8%, no? If the buying price is 100 rupees, what is the price of selling price? What should be the selling price? 108, right? 108. Then 81,000 mean the value of 100 or the value of 108? Selling price, no? So it is the value of 108. You have to find the buying price. That means you have to find the value of 100, right? So how you can do this one? 81,000 you can divide by 108 and you have to multiply by 100, right? It is the method to find this answer. If you use any other method, you can't get the correct answer, right? Only this method you can do, right? Now check. I can simplify 81,108. First, I can divide by 9. This one divide by 9. The answer is 12. Also, this one I can divide by 9. 81 divide 9 is 9, no? So, what is the answer? 9,000. Then also, these two you can divide by 4, right? 12 and 100 you can divide by 4. Here 3, here 25. Then also 3 and 9,000 I can divide by 3, 3,000. Then 3,000 multiply 25. So what is the answer? 3 multiply 25, 75. So the buying price is 75,000 rupees. Selling price is 81,000 rupees. Then he kept 8% the profit percentage, right? So the answer is 75,000 rupees. Who got this answer? Hands up. කවුද ගත්තේ? Right. Okay, then let's go to the next question, number 13. Question number 13 given simple equation. You have to solve using the axioms, right? Axiom knowledge using, you can do this one. Right, 7x minus 2 equal 12. It is the question, the simple equation. Then you have to solve this one using the axioms. Axioms knowledge. When you add same quantity to the either side of the equal sign, also the equal. If you subtract the same quantity from either side of the equal sign, also should be equal, no? When you multiply by the same value, both sides of the equation, also the answer should be equal. When you divide by the both sides by equal values, also the answers are equal, right? So how you can do this one? First, I have to remove this minus 2, no? So both side I can put plus 2. It is the axiom, right? Then these two we can remove. This is axiom 1, sorry, axiom 2 about the addition. Then 7x equal 14. Now we have to find x. You have to remove 7, no? To remove 7, what you have to do? Both sides you have to divide by 7. When you divide the both sides by same value, also the answer should be equal. It is axiom 5. Then 7 and 7 cancel. X equal 14 divide 7, 2. So the answer is x equal 2, right? X equal 2. If you did not use the axioms, but if you got the final answer as x equal to, you can get only 1 mark, right? Both marks you can't get. හරි ඒකට අර axioms use කරලා කරන්න තියෙන නිසා අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම axioms use කරන්න ඕන. නිකම්ම answer එක x equal to කියලා මේ axioms දාන්නේ නැතුව ලිව්වොත් එක ලකුණක් විතරයි හම්බෙන්නේ. හරි? එහෙනම් මතක තියාගන්න මේ axioms use කරන්න කිව්වොත් අපි axioms numbers එක ලියන්න. right? Okay, then question number 14 look at. Right, question number 14 given. In the following pattern, which was prepared using matchsticks, how many matchsticks are needed to prepare the 12th stage? Right, quickly can you tell me the first stage, how many matchsticks are used? 3. Second stage, how many matchsticks are used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third stage, how many matchsticks are used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's a number pattern, no? Then you have to find how many matchsticks used for the 12th stage. That means 12th term you have to find, right? First you have to check the general term of this one. What's the general term? The difference, common difference is positive 2, no? Then you can write 2n. Then you multiply n equal 1. Right, you substitute n equal 1, 2 times 1, 2, but the first term is 3. So what you have to do? You have to add 1 here. So what is the general term? 2n plus 1. Then we have to find the 12th term. So 12, n equal 12, you have to substitute. 2 times 12, 24 plus 1. So how many matchsticks are needed for the 12th stage? 25 matchsticks, right? 25. right ඕන දැන් පේනව නේද අපි theory discuss කරනකොටනේ textbook එක discuss කරනකොට හම්බුනේ පොඩි ප්‍රමාණයක් හරි ඊට පස්සේ අපි tutes discuss කරනකොට ඊට වඩා වැඩි ප්‍රශ්න නේද ඊට වඩා ගොඩක් advanced questions අපි discuss කරා දැන් පේනදී papers discuss කරනකොට නේද අර වගේ applications තියෙන හරි මේ general terms වල නේද mathematics වලට දාලානේ එක එක විදියට තියෙනවා හරි ඒතකොට දැන් papers discuss කරනකොට මොකද්ද වෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ හරි අර වැඩිපුර නේද ඒ lessons use කරගන්න විදිය ඔයගොල්ලන්ට හුරු වීමක් වෙන්නේ. හරි එතකොට මේ papers ටිකක් වැඩිපුර discuss කරාම නේද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට term test එකට වැඩි marks ගන්න පුළුවන් වෙයි හරියට කරොත්. හරිද? හරියට කරොත්. right. Number 15 fractions 3 1 over 4 divide 1 1 over 2. Right. Do you remember the division of fractions? Before go to the any simplification, any mathematical operation, first you have to convert these mixed numbers into improper. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 4 divide 2 times 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 over 2. Then 13 over 4. Division we have to write as multiplication. Also, after the division fraction, reciprocal you have to write. Reciprocal mean interchange the numerator and denominator. So here you have to write 2 over 3. Right, then you can simplify. 2 and 14 we can divide by 2. Then also we can't simplify further. So 13 multiply 1, 13. 7 multiply 3, 21. So what is the answer? 13 over 21. It is the 15th question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, in the first mixed number 3, 1 over 4, then denominator should be 4, right? Not 14.
Sorry. It should be 4. 4 times 3, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. 13 over 4. Yes. Then here should be 4. Then the answer is incorrect, no? Then also 2 and 4 you can divide by 2. 2 divide to 1. 4 divide to 2. Then the answer is 13 times 1, 13. 2 times 3, 6. But you can't keep this one as the final answer, no? Because it is an improper. So 13 you have to divide by 6. That means you have to convert into mixed number. 2 times 6, 12, remaining 1. Then 2 is the whole number. Remaining value is the numerator, and this divided value is the denominator. So the answer should be 2, 1 over 6. Right. Number 16. 16th one, look at. Find the value using the knowledge on factors. 98 squared minus 2 squared. Do you remember the finding method of this one? How you can do? You can revise the factors finding method of difference of two squares, right? If the question, the expression given x a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared, you can write the factors a minus b, a plus b. Then you can apply this theory here, right? Instead a, you can see 98. Instead b, you can see 2. So how you can write 98 minus 2? 98 plus 2. 98 minus 2, 96. 98 plus 2, 100. So what is the answer? 9600. Right? 9600. It is number 16. Right? Then let's go to the next question. Also like this, lot of questions I discussed using the tute, no? Right? Difference of the scarce knowledge in, you have to using the difference of scarce knowledge, you have to find the values like these questions. Right. Then look at number 17. In the figure, if AB parallel to CD, find the value of x. Right. When you see this one, which theory you remember? Which type of angles you can see here?
Allied angles.
Allied angles. Capital C shape, no? C shape. What's the relationship between the allied angles? Allied angles sum should be 180 degrees. Right? Allied angles are not equal. Sum is 180 degrees. Then you can see the allied angles. What are the two allied angles? The one angle is 80 degrees. No? Another angle, this one, it is given as two angles. So this full angle sum x plus 70. Right? So you can write these two sum. This angle is x plus 70 and this angle is 80. These two sum should be 180 degrees because they are allied angles, but always allied angles are not the sum is equal to 180. Why these two allied angles sum is 180? Because
Because the lines are parallel.
yes, these two lines are parallel. No, also you can say it AB parallel to CD, right? Okay, now I wrote the relation like this. This is one angle x plus 70 and this is the other angle. These two are, right? This one and this one are the allied angles. So these two sum should be 180. Then we can solve this simple equation. X 70 plus 80 plus 150 equal 180, right? Then both side you can put minus 150 to remove this plus 150. Then these two cancel. X equal 180 minus 150, 30. Right? X equal 30 degrees. It is number 17. Right. Then let's go to number 18. Question number 18 given. A cuboid shaped container with the area of the base is 200 square centimeters is filled with water. If the capacity of the container, if the capacity of water in the container is 1.8 liters, find the height of the tank. Right. First, I will draw the rough sketch to explain you. This one base area given 200 square centimeters and filled with water, not completely, that means not the capacity of this tank. Also given the water volume is 1.8 liters. Right. How you can do this one? I can take this height as h. Can you tell me 1.8 liters mean how many milliliters? 1.8 liters mean how many milliliters? You have to multiply by 1000.
1800.
1800 milliliters. That means how many cubic centimeters? 1 milliliter equal 1 cubic centimeter. So milliliter value also equal to 1 to the
1800
cubic
cubic
centimeters.
centimeters.
1800 cubic centimeters. Then you revise another one. What? How you can find the volume? I told you there are two methods. The one method, length into breadth into height. Other method, length into breadth mean the area of the cross section, no? Area of the base multiply height. So area we can write as, sorry, volume. Volume we can write as area of cross section, area of the base 200. Volume also I can write as 1800. Area of the base 200 square centimeters multiply height I got as h. Right? This is the relationship, no? Right? Then you can simplify this one. Then you can find the height h. What you have to do? Both sides you have to divide by 200. Then you can get the value 200 and 200 cancel. H equal, two zeros we can remove. 18 divide 2, 9. 9 centimeters. Right? 9 centimeters. Why I converted this volume into cubic centimeters, because the base area given cubic square centimeters, no, right? It is the reason. Right. Number 19. Question number 19 given. X plus 3 bracket x minus 2 equal x squared plus x minus empty box. You have to fill this blank with suitable values, right? When you fill this blank, you have to revise how you can multiply these two expressions, no? Right? Do you remember how you can multiply these two expressions? X plus 3 multiply x minus 2 mean the second bracket you have to multiply by x. Then also the second bracket you have to multiply by plus 3. Then you can remove the bracket. X multiply x, x squared, plus x multiply negative 2 minus 2x, positive 3 multiply positive x, positive 3x, positive 3 multiply negative 6, negative 2, negative 6. Right? If you want, you can simplify these two like terms. X squared, this one coefficient negative 2, this one coefficient positive 3, negative 2 at positive 3. What is the answer? Positive 1x. Positive 1x mean x minus 6. X squared given, plus x given, minus given, 6 not given. So what is the suitable value for this blank? 6. Right? This is the answer getting method. Right? Right. Then another one question remaining for the first part. Number 20. Right. Question number 20 given this one. No, the triangle given. You have to find the area. Right. Uh, the area of the triangle you studied in grade 8 class. Right. Grade 8 class. No. Do you remember finding method of the area of a triangle? Uh,
1/2 time into perpendicular height into base.
yes. Now already you studied about the finding method of the areas of plane figures, squares and rectangles, length into breadth, triangles, half into base into perpendicular height, right? Area is equal to half into base into perpendicular height. Also we call perpendicular height as the altitude. Altitude කියලා perpendicular height එකට කියනවා. Right? Right. Then you identify the base and perpendicular height. Half you can identify, no? Half එක දන්නවනේ half කියලා. Right. Base mean what? Right? Base mean අපි මොකක් හරි vertex එකක ඉඳලා මොකක් හරි side එකකට triangle එකක අපි perpendicular එකක් draw කරොත් හරි මෙන්න මේ side එකට අපි කියනවා base. Right? So this one is the base. This perpendicular length is known as the perpendicular height. Perpendicular mean what? As 90 degrees. Perpendicular කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? 90 degrees වෙන විදියට පේනවා ඇතිනේ. මෙන්න මේ point එකේ ඉඳලා මේ vertex එකේ ඉඳලා මෙහෙම 90 degrees වෙන විදියට line එකක් draw කරලා තියෙනවා. So this one is the perpendicular height. So what is a perpendicular height? 8 centimeters, right? Then you can substitute half multiply base is 12 centimeters. Perpendicular height is 8 centimeters. Then you can get the answer in square centimeters. 1 over 2 multiply 12 multiply 8. You simplify this one. I can simplify 2 and 12 or 2 and 8. You can divide by 2. Then 4 times 12, 48. So the area of this triangle is 48 square centimeters, right? 48 square centimeters. Right now, already I discussed first 20 questions of the first part. No, each question you can get 2 marks. Right now, can you send me how many questions are correct out of 20 into chat? Right, all of you send. Okay, how many questions are correct out of 20? Right. Okay, more than 15, no? All of your answers. Okay, but if your answers are correct out of 20, 19 or 20, it is the best, right? 19 or 20, 19 out of 20 or 20 out of 20 for the first part. It is best. හරි එහෙනම් මේ මට්ටමට තව පේපර් එකක් දෙකක් කරනකොට එන්න ඕනේ. හරි. අඩුම ගානේ questions 19ක් 20ක් first part එකේ හරියන්න ඕන. හරි. Right. හරි. අද first එකනේ නේද? first paper එකනේ. Okay. Right. Then let's go to the second part. Second part given there are 7 full questions. In this paper given, the first question is compulsory and another 4 questions you have to select and write the answers. But all questions I am going to discuss. The first I am going to discuss question number 7. Right? Question number 7. Look at. During a practice session, an athlete runs 2 rounds around a playground on the first day. Right? First day, there are 2 rounds. This is the 7th question of this paper, second paper. 5 rounds on the second day. 5 rounds on the second day. Likewise, he continues his practice by running 3 rounds more than the previous day, right? So the next day should be 5 plus 3, 8 rounds, no? The next day, 8 plus 3, 11 rounds. The first part given, write down the number of rounds he runs in the first 4 days in order, right? First 4 days in order you have to write. First day, 2 rounds. Second day, 5. Third day, 8. Fourth day, 11. So the first part answer this one, no? Right? If you want, you can write first day equal 2 rounds, second day equal 5 rounds, third day equal 8 rounds, fourth day equal 11 rounds. If you want, you can write like this. It is also enough. Right. Then let's go to the second part of this question. If the number of rounds he runs each day is written as a number pattern, what is the first term and the common difference of it? Right. What is the first term? First term in T1, no? T1. First term is 2. Common difference means simple D. Right? If you want, you can write the word form. Common difference, how you can get? Any term subtract from after the term of it, right? That means this term and these two. When you consider these two, you can subtract 2 from 5. If you want subtract 5 from 8, if you want subtract 8 from 11, right? 11 minus 8, 8 minus 5, or 5 minus 2, all are equal. So we call this number pattern has the common difference. So the common difference is 3, positive 3, right? It is the second part. Then the third part given, find the general term Tn of it. General term Tn. How you can find the general term? If the common difference is 3, first you can write 3n. Then you substitute n equal 1. 3 times 1, 3. But first term is 2. So you have to subtract 1. Then you can substitute n equal to 3 times 2, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. You can substitute n equal 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. Right? So what is the general term? 3n minus 1. It is the general term. Right? Part 4 look at. Part 4 given. Hence, find the number of rounds he runs on the 10th day. That means the 10th term you have to find of this number pattern, no? T10 you have to find. So you have to substitute n equal 10. 3 multiply 10 minus 1. 3 multiply 10, 30. 30 minus 1, 29 rounds. Right? 29 rounds. It is the fourth part. Right. Then look at the next one. On which day on the practice session will he run 20 rounds? That means you have to find the value of n, no? Which term? If you want to find the n, what you have to do? You have to build up simple equation. The one side should be the general term, 3n minus 1, and other side should be the given value. Given value is 20. Now you can simplify. This minus 1, first we can remove from this side. Both side you can put plus 1. Then 3n equal to 21. Now both side you can divide by 3. So n equal 7. Then finally you can write day, seventh day he run 20 rounds. Right? It is question number 7 of your paper. Right? Then also I am going to discuss another one question from this paper today. Which question? This angles and axiom lessons given. The third question. Right. Third question I am going to discuss now. Look at the third question. According to the information given in the figure, answer the following questions. Right? You can see the figure here. Also, I will draw the figure. The first part, name the pair of parallel lines in the figure. What are the parallel lines? A, B, and C, D, no? Right? A, B, and C, D. So the first part answer A, B, and C, D. Right? First part, A, B, and C, D. A, B parallel to C, D. Then second part, how many straight line segments are there? How many straight line segments? 4 straight line segments, no? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. 4. Name 3 relations between the angle formed by intersecting a pair of parallel lines from a transversal. Name 3 relationships. Right? 3 relationships. එහෙනම් මේ diagram එකේ relationships 3ක් ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ලියන්න තියෙනවා. හරි? මේ තියෙන විදියට ලියන්නයි තියෙන්නේ. Right. What are the relationships? You can write. Right. What are the 3 relations you can write of the angles? Look at these two. They are equal. No? Why? They are vertically opposite angles. So one relationship you can write. Second one also 4 straight lines. Okay. The one relationship you can write x equal y. Right? What's the reason? Vertically opposite angles. If you want, you can write like this. What are the 3 types of angles mentioned related to the parallel lines? Alternate angles, corresponding angles, and allied angles. No? Right? If you want, you can write the word form. Right? Word form. Right. First, I can write the one relation. Alternate angles are equal. Another relationship, corresponding angles are equal. And another relationship, allied angles sum is 180 degrees. Right? They are the relations related the parallel lines intersect using a transversal. Right. Then next part, look at the next one given, fourth part. Find the magnitudes of the angles x, y, z. Right. Using the knowledge of the angles, you have to find the x, y, z magnitudes. Look at first. How about these two angles, x and 100? Which type?
Corresponding angles.
Corresponding angles. So x equal 100. X equal 100. Also reasons write down, okay? Corresponding angles and also AB parallel to CD. Right. One angle magnitude I found. Can you tell me what's the relationship between these two, x and y? Also, they are equal, no? Why? Vertically opposite angles. So, x equal y, therefore, y equal 100 degrees. X equal y, reason is vertically opposite angles. Then another one angle I have to find Z. How you can find Z? Which theory you can use? These two, which type? Z and 60. These two? C shape, no?
Z
Huh?
plus 60 plus 100.
Yes. Sorry?
Z plus 60 plus 100 equals to 180.
Z plus 60 plus 100. Why 100?
Because 100 is equal to uh, um,
100 not. Huh?
60 plus Z.
Right. Look at these two. Z and 60 like this, no? This one is Z, this one 60. So these two are which shape? Allied angles, no? These two are allied angles. So sum of allied angles 180 degrees, right? So I can write Z plus 60, 180 degrees. They are allied angles. Also AB parallel to CD. So Z equal 60 go to other side, 180 minus 60. That means 120. Z equal 120 degrees. Right, then another one part remaining of this question, no? Next part. There's a diagram given. Also some letters given. And also two angles marked like this. Then the question given in the figure, if ABC angle equal, if ABC angle equal ADC angle, prove that EDF angle equal to GBH angle. Right? How we can do this one? Right. The question given the data ABC angle equal ADC angle. It is given. That means these two angles, no? Then you have to show that EDF angle, EDF means this angle, equal to GBH angle. GBH angle means this angle. Right. Can you tell me these two are which type? X shape, vertically opposite angles, no? So first I can write the relationship between these two angles, right? ADC, ADC angle equal EDF angle. The reason is vertically opposite angles, right? Then also we can write these two. ABC angle equal GBH angle. The reason is vertically opposite angles, right? Then also given this one, no, this relation. That means ABC angle. ABC angle I can write as ABC equal to GBH, no? So I can write this one as GBH. Can you understand? පැහැදිලිද? මෙන්න මේකෙන් මම ලියන්නේ. හරි? හරි මට මේ ABC කියන එක වෙනුවට ABC equal GBH නේ. එහෙනම් මේ ABC අයින් කරලා එතන මම දානවා GBH equal මෙන්න මෙතන තියෙන ADC. ADC අයින් කරලා මට දාන්න පුළුවන් මොකද්ද? ADC equal EDF no. Right? Then what you have to show? EDF angle, this one equal GBH angle. Okay, the answer is received. Right? Using 3 steps, I got the answer. Right. Now already I discussed. There are 2 questions of the second paper. Right. Did you write the answers for the remaining questions? අනිත් ඒවාට answers ලියලාද තියෙන්නේ? ලියලානේ තියෙන්නේ නේද? හරි හැබැයි මේකේ සමහර questions අපි මීට කලින් අර ටියුට්ස් වලදී discuss කරපු questions තියෙනවා නේද? Right? What are the questions? Fourth question, I think I discussed කරාද නැද්ද? Fourth question එක. Fractions වලදී.
Yes, sir, we did.
Yes, no? Fifth question also we discussed or not? Fifth one. එක discuss කරලා ඇති නේද? Also sixth one also we discuss the percentages lesson. Right? හරි එහෙනම් ඒ තුන ආයි discuss කරන්න ඕනේ නැහැ නේද? තේරුමක් නැහැනේ. right. In our next day එකේදී also another two questions we have to remaining to discuss 1 and 2, right. අපි 1 2 questions දෙක next day discuss කරමු. Also another paper I will send, right. When you participate the next class session, you write the answers for it. ඒකටත් answers ලියලා class එකට join වෙන්න. ඒතර මේකට වඩා වැඩිපුර ප්‍රමාණයක් හරියන විදියට ඒකට answers ලියන්න. හරි. ඔන්න දැන් එක paper එකක් මේ වෙනකොට ගොඩක් discuss කරලා තියෙනවනේ. හරි. ඒතර next day එකේදී වැඩිපුර හරියන විදියට ඒවට answers ලියන්න. Okay. Now I'm going to stop the class session today. Thank you for joining all of you. Good night and goodbye. See you next day with another paper.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. God bless you.